You can set your pot in the sink and strain it like you would a pasta, but just don't pour the fat down the drain. I hope I didn't need to say that, but I promise you, you will regret that choice, trust me. So, bacon fat is an unfortunate waste product of this recipe, but I'm going to be saving some of it personally for other recipes. Once it cools, I'll scrape out what I want to keep and refrigerate that, and then I'll throw the remainder away. Bacon fat is delicious, but I need to watch my diet, and as they say, moderation. I'll be straining into this old pressure cooker pot. I think it's just neat, so I'm going to keep it and use it in the future. After straining the fat, I'm going to wash the pot and then cook the shallots until they're golden brown. Take the pot outside, and that's when I'm going to add the bourbon and flame off the alcohol. Welcome to part 2.